Let's start the remaining part of the chapter, natural resources. Now, soil erosion. Erosion means the transportation of the land particle from one place to another with the help of moving air and water. Okay, with the help of air and water, the upper layer particle it's transported from one place to another place is known as a soil erosion. In the other word, the faster transportation of the particles of the surface of land to the other place by natural forces. આપણે તો અહીંયાથી માટી લઈને બીજી જગ્યાએ તો નાખવા જતા નથી, તો આ અહીંયાની માટી બીજી જગ્યાએ કેવી રીતે ગઈ? નેચરલ ફોર્સીસ, યાની મૂવિંગ એર એન્ડ વોટર. It takes many years to form the upper layer. If the soil particles are carried away because of heavy rain or stormy wind, the agricultural production decreases because the uppermost layer of the soil is most fertile because it contains humus. But due to heavy rain or strong wind, it's transported from the upper layer particles to the another place, then this land become less fertile or become barren. It is extremely necessary to maintain this upper layer for agriculture. So upper layer no jo particles che, it must be maintained for good agriculture. So the soil erosion should be prevented. Measures to prevent erosion. How we can prevent erosion? Control the grazing activity on the land. Okay, control the grazing. Yani if the soil is covered with a lot of grass, then it holds the soil particle with it. But due to overgrazing by the animal, so the land become open, so heavy rain wash the upper layer and soil erosion happens. Plantation should be carried out in counter method in slopy region. Slopy region arm slope hoy, તો એને counter region માં in the opposite direction of the slope we have to plant the trees. Plant trees in fallow land. Fallow yani westland ma we have to plant the trees. Construct check dam where there are streams. Streams means flow of water. So tamare you have to construct a check dam. Cultivate very deeply in the field to reduce the speed of the water. Yani when the farmer plow the field, then the plowing must be very deep to reduce the speed of the water. Soil conservation. Conservation yani bachao. Soil conservation means to prevent the soil erosion and to maintain its quality. Soil conservation is directly connected to retain, yani to have the uppermost particle of the uppermost layer of the soil, to retain the soil particle at their original place. Different remedies matlab solutions are used at different places in the world according to its location and problem. But if the soil is not conserved, yani આપણે soil નું ધ્યાન ના રાખીએ તો શું થાય? Then there are chances of the floods which enhance the risk of against the lives and property. Thus the soil conservation is very much necessary, right? So surface runoff water આવી રીતે runoff થતું હોય, so the speed of the water may be fast. But what we have to do? Store a big amount of water. Most of the water is stored there in water harvesting in the terrace slope. આપણે શું બનાવવાનું? અહીંયા terrace બનાવવાનું. So water speed decreases when it flowing from the terrace, right? Now the water having the faster flow percolate less. Percolate मतलब अंदर ओछું નહીં ઉતરે. Percolate થવું मतलब to go inside the soil. Because the slope is faster, slope is more, so the speed of the water is faster, so it cannot go inside the soil. So what we have to do? We have to cut the soil in the shape of steps. Water accumulated on the terrace. અહીંયા આગળ water જમા થાય તો જમીનની અંદર જાય. Terrace percolate any go inside slowly and raise the groundwater level. Then there are chances of the flood. Remedies for the soil conservation. यानी remedies मतलब solutions. આપણે શું કરવું જોઈએ? The roots of the forest cover hold the soil particles. So we have to grow more and more trees. So the root of the trees hold the soil particles together and reduce the soil erosion. Plant trees in the river gorges and mountain slope. यानी river ની બાજુની જગ્યા છે, around the river area and in the mountain slopes we have to plant more and more trees. A series of trees should be grown near a desert region to prevent the winds with a more velocity. It will stop the advancing desert. એટલે કે ડેઝર્ટ હોય એની બાઉન્ડ્રીમાં શું ઉગાડવા જોઈએ? ટ્રીઝ ઉગાડવા જોઈએ. So it reduce or it stop the expanding of the desert from one place to another place. The river floods should be controlled by diverting them their flow into other river or in a dry river basin. Okay, the river which is flooded or have a more water, we have to divert the river into another river or a drier river. The unrestricted pasturing loosen the soil. Unrestricted એટલે કોઈ ના જ ના પાડતું હોય. પેસ્ચર કરવાનું મતલબ ગાય ભેંસને કોઈ પણ એક જગ્યાએ ઘાસ ખવડાવવા જવાનું. ઓકે, તો ગ્રેઝિંગ એરિયા. અનરિસ્ટ્રિક્ટેડ ગ્રેઝિંગ મતલબ clear the soil when animal eat all the grass on the soil, so the land become open, so no grass, so no holding with the root to the soil, so it become open, so loosen the soil layer on the mountain and it should be prevented. Methods like horizontal cultivation, terrace farming, etc. should be implemented. Humus content should added. Humus मतलब fertilizer, natural fertilizer content should be added to the soil which has lost its fertility. By implementing the remedies, by using these remedies, soil can be conserved, and the conservation of soil is a strong necessity today. Government, society and the people should work together for its conservation, right?